Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best split-system air conditioner inverter you can get your hands on right now. The Pioneer Quantum Ultra 9000 BTU 24 SEER2 high-wall ductless mini-split inverter heat pump system. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and whisper-quiet cooling and heating solution, stay with us for the next 5 minutes because this system might just be the perfect upgrade for your home or workspace. Let's start with the cooling power. The Pioneer Quantum Ultra delivers 9000 BTUs, which is ideal for rooms up to about 350 to 450 square feet. That makes it a great fit for bedrooms, offices, small living rooms, or even studio apartments. But what makes it really stand out is the 24 SEER2 efficiency rating. That's incredibly high, and it means this unit uses far less energy to do the same job compared to older or less efficient systems. In practical terms, that's big savings on your electricity bill. This model runs on 230 volts and uses an inverter compressor. If you're not familiar with inverter technology, here's why it matters. Unlike traditional systems that constantly turn on and off, inverters adjust the compressor speed in real time. This keeps your room temperature consistent, reduces energy consumption, and drastically cuts down on wear and tear, meaning longer life for your unit. Installation-wise, this is a high-wall ductless mini-split system. That means you don't need to rip into your walls or deal with ductwork. Everything you need comes in the full set: indoor unit, outdoor condenser, remote control, and installation kit. And yes, it's ENERGY STAR certified, which means it meets strict energy performance standards set by the EPA. One of the nicest features is its whisper-quiet operation. Whether you're sleeping, working, or just relaxing, the low noise levels make it easy to forget the unit is even on. The indoor unit has a sleek, modern look with an LED temperature display, and the wireless remote lets you easily adjust modes, fan speeds, timers, and more. As a heat pump, this system also provides efficient heating during the colder months. So you're not just investing in an air conditioner, you're getting a year-round climate control solution. It's capable of functioning in extreme temperatures, too, giving you performance and comfort no matter the season. Maintenance is simple. The filters are washable, and the unit features self-cleaning functions to reduce moisture and prevent mold growth inside. That's a big win for air quality and long-term performance. In terms of build, Pioneer is known for durability and solid engineering, and the Quantum Ultra line continues that tradition. It's built for long-term use with high-grade components and a clean, no-nonsense design that blends into most interiors. Whether you're upgrading your existing HVAC setup or looking for an energy-efficient solution in a new build or renovation, the Pioneer Quantum Ultra is an excellent choice. It's smart, powerful, reliable, and quiet, all the qualities you want in a modern air conditioning and heating system. So if you're serious about comfort, energy savings, and modern features without the hassle of a ducted install, this unit is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.